Uh, Hello viewers, should I call you viewers? Welcome. Just continuing where we stopped the other time using in our guess number game. So I guess this where we left it. The other time we were now able to make a user enter three lucky numbers and for instance, let's try to run this code in our console. We would now make the user run three numbers, 9, 3, then the process ends there. So even I could give the lucky number 17, give another number 0, see. So now we would assign the user um, to enter the numbers, but now what is remaining, it's just to make sure now if the user we want if the user guesses our lucky number, then it should be able to inform the user that, oh, you know what, you have won since you guess the right number. So for that case we are going to use the if statement. So we are going to equals. For here in Python we use this to assign an equal instead of this. This is used for assigning a variable, but this is equals in Python. I don't know in other programming languages whether it's the same, but for the case of Python it's like that. So if the user if not, you won, like that, screamer. So let's go and run this code. So when I write here, when I enter here 17, you won. But if you can realize, it's still asking me to guess another number, yet I've already guessed the lucky number. So what I want to do, what we should do, we want, if the user guesses the correct our lucky number, we want the game to stop. So we're going to use the break function so that we break out of this loop and everything, the game stops there. So let's try to go and run it in our console. Let me put 17, u1, and process finish, exit code 0. That is it. So we enter the lucky number and then u1, then the game ends. So maybe what is remaining is for us to put to let the user know after this guess limit of 3 that you tried 3 times but again things have refused. So we are going to put an else function here. If statements usually come with else. If this is this, else try this, running this code. But for this case our if statement is not going to have an else. Likewise, while functions, a while function might or might not have else statements. For this case, this our while function, we are going to put an else statement here. Else, we want it to let the user know that sorry, yeah. So after the user entering 3 successive times and he has not guessed our lucky number, then is going to say sorry of less. Let's try to run this in our console. Let me enter the first number. Let me say 4, 7, 3. Sorry, you lost, and our game ends there. But again, if we try running, and this time round maybe we guess the lucky number, maybe put 5. Then the second guess I put 17, our lucky number, u1, and process ends there. You can really try this multiple times in any way that you want. Tier 3, 8, 17, you won. So that is it for this video. We have been able to modify our user input to show him that, yeah, you know what, you have guessed our lucky number, you won. Or after the given number of guess limits, we show him that sorry, you lost. Maybe try again. We can even add it that here. Sorry, you lost. Try again.